Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of -0.02 in health, which is unusual considering the momentum is soaring at +0.86. This divergence indicates that while interest is peaking, the overall sentiment is still negative. You might want to dive deeper into the 20 semantic clusters to identify specific areas driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed insights on health sentiment, allowing you to analyze trends and sentiment shifts in real time. For instance, you could leverage this data to inform your health app's content strategy, adjusting your messaging to better align with current public sentiment. Want to get started? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.